There is a moment, you know the one, where your toddler does something completely absurd, you both dissolve into laughter, and for about 30 seconds, nothing else exists. No deadlines, no guilt, no worry about whether you're doing this right, just pure, ridiculous joy. Turns out your child's brain was doing something extraordinary in that moment, and we have been badly underestimating it. New research from developmental neuroscientist Dr. Jacqueline Harding at Middlesex University confirms that laughter and joy are not just lovely things to happen around children. They are fundamental biological drivers of brain development. Laughter activates broad neural networks, including the prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for decision-making and emotional regulation, and it does this before children can even speak. It boosts creativity. It engages working memory. Scientists are calling it, without irony, a mental workout. Our education system has decided the most efficient use of a child's brain is sitting still and being quiet. Interesting choice. At a molecular level, laughter does something even more specific. It drops cortisol and epinephrine, the stress hormones, and floods the brain with dopamine, serotonin, and endorphins. Meanwhile, oxytocin surges, which is the chemical responsible for deepening bonds between parents and children. So that moment where you and your child are both laughing at the same stupid thing, that is not wasted time. That is literally biology doing its best work. Prolonged stress does the exact opposite. It impairs learning, suppresses immune function, and alters the developing limbic system, the part of the brain that governs emotion and long-term memory. A childhood full of anxiety is not a neutral backdrop to development. It actively reshapes the brain. The emotional state of a young child, Harding says, directly influences how they navigate the world. Full stop. Dr. Harding also argues something that should be stamped on the front of every school curriculum. Safe relationships and non-stressful play environments must never be subordinated to academic content. The curriculum, she says, must never be prioritized over those two foundational factors. We have been prioritizing the curriculum for years with great confidence. This is not an argument against learning. It is an argument that joy is the vehicle through which real learning happens. That shared laughter between a parent and child builds something called co-regulation, a biological store of positive experience that children draw on to manage stress later in life. That playful, spontaneous connection is not something to squeeze in around the real work of childhood. It is the work. One small, natural thing from this research: spontaneous, unscheduled moments of play and laughter are the mechanism. They do not need to be engineered or optimized. They just need to be allowed. So the next time you are running 20 minutes behind and your child wants you to do the ridiculous voice again, maybe let them have it. Their brain is asking for something real. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Every week we read the research so you do not have to, and we try to make it feel like something other than homework.